I started my volunteer about 10 years ago. I think at that time I was involved in review some research proposals. Then I was on the academic relation committee, and then the committee became academic research committee about 3 years ago. About 10 years ago, Jose Garrido, who is the professor of actuarial science at the Concordia, asked me to get involved to join the academic relation committee. Right? So I agreed. I feel at that time I could make a contribution, and also I want to see how the CIA works, right? And I really want to get involved. So that's why I decided to join the committee and stay in the committee until June, end of June. There are several roles. One is to review the research proposals from academics. And so each year we receive about 10 to 15 research proposals, and so the committee review all these proposals and decide to forward 2 or 3 to the research council for funding. And the other role is to basically build a bridge between academics and the practitioners. So as the chair of the committee, I was the member of the research council. So I get to give the input about academic affairs, and also how we view the research by the CIA. Yes, greatly. Actually, I mean, because I get to see the research projects from the practitioners, and also I become much more aware of the importance of the certain subject and topics. And so with that, actually, I can relate to my teaching with the actual practice and to show the importance to the students. As academic, right, we are kind of living in the ivory tower, high up there. We kind of do our own research. Very often we don't think about the impact of our research. As a member of the committee, I mean, and the member of the research council, I get to see all the things, right? I mean, by practitioners, I was much more aware of the importance of the practical topics. That just making me rethink about my research. So these days, actually, I'm doing research which is more practical, because my goal is switching from more theoretical research to the research I hope they might have some impact to the actual practice. Now, these days, we are doing modeling, which is more insurance data driven, and every project, and we hope, can be implemented in practice. So we provide the research with the software such that the practitioners can try, can use, hopefully. So we want to have a more impact. As actually, we are very proud of our work. I mean, but our work is still more traditional. But these days, I mean, with the technology, innovations, I think we already embrace these innovations, right? So, for example, AI, machine learning, all the things. But I feel that professions should reach out to people who are real experts. If we want to do machine learning, a project related to machine learning, maybe we should reach out to people in the area. The volunteering experience is really valuable. You can make contribution to our profession, but also benefit yourself a lot. It changed my view on research. It shaped my research project in a different direction, okay, with a different emphasis. And I get to meet a lot of people.